Wait, your camera's videoing too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Ow.
Turn the little circle thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Is it still in my hand? Ow! I can't fit! I need to be a 5-year-old.
You're riding Nemo.
Woo! Where are we going?
I don't know.
Let's go see Little Mermaid.
Okay.
Oh! Do you know where my dad is?
Smile.
Alright, I'm about done with this.
This is gonna be on YouTube.
I wish YouTube worked at my house.
Margaret Goes Nemo. Alrighty.
Nemo's
Looks like you're
gone.
killing Nemo.
He's gone. I'm marking now.
Take a bow, Margaret, for your amazing performance.
Thank you. I'll be here till Tuesday.